In this video, we are going to be working with modifier ingine, which denotes another in the singular form or other in the plural form. We're also going to be looking at the example of the a, wa noun class. This quantifier denotes another, like I mentioned, or other, and it also changes to reflect the noun class that it is defining. Up to this point, you should be quite comfortable with your noun classes, but if you're not, highly recommend you go back to level 1, module 2, and look at the noun classes. So we formulate it by combining the noun prefix with ingine. So let's look at a few examples. So first of all, as we mentioned, in the our noun class, we're going to take wa and then plus ingine to make wengine. And in the singular form, we're going to take m plus ingine to make mwingine. So mtoto mwingine, watoto wengine. So mtoto mwingine is another child, watoto wengine is other children. Mwalimu mwingine or another teacher, walimu wengine, other teachers. Mzazi mwingine in the singular and wazazi wengine. So another parent, other parents. So the next section, we're just going to go through a few drills to make sure this makes sense to you. As usual, feel free to pause it to give yourself time to find the answer, or you can just let it play and then the next time you'll try to anticipate the responses. He has another child. Ana mtoto mwingine. Ana mtoto mwingine. He has other children. Ana watoto wengine. Ana watoto wengine. She has another friend. Ana rafiki mwingine. Ana rafiki mwingine. She has other friends. Ana marafiki wengine. Ana marafiki wengine. I would like another teacher. Ningependa mwalimu mwingine. Ningependa mwalimu mwingine. We would like other teachers. Tungependa walimu wengine. Tungependa walimu wengine. He found another wife. Alipata mke mwingine. Alimpata mke mwingine. They married other wives. Waliwaoa wake wengine. Waliwaoa wake wengine. So feel free to listen to this drill a couple of times until you become comfortable, then move on to the next noun class. I will talk to you in the next lesson.